I'll saute the yellow onion. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or any oil, about a quarter teaspoon of dry garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of salt as needed, just a little black pepper, the tomato, sweet bell peppers, yellow and red. If you have green, you can add it. Well, sweet bell pepper. If you have green, you can put the green one. About a quarter of cooked whole lentils. I'll take it out and cool it down. Now I'll cut my tomatoes like this, just like that. Then I'll take out this, the middle part. I'll take out this carefully without damaging the skin of the tomato. It's easily will come out like this, and scrap a little bit, not too much, like this. So I'll chop this and put it in the onion, in the sauteed onion. After it's cooled down, I'll put a cooked and cold rice in the sauce and mix it well. Now I'll add half of the cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, half of it, about a quarter cup of. That's it. Now we'll stuff our tomato. This is the bottom of part of it. I pull out this from it like this because I'll end up letting it sit on this like this. So a little bit black pepper on its tomatoes, a little bit salt, sprinkle of salt. Now I'll start stuffing it. Don't press it too much, just like that. The lentil, everything looks so good. This one. Here it is. And the third one. Looks good. I'll add breadcrumbs, a little bit, on 3 of them. Not too much. Now mozzarella cheese on each of them, as much as you want, about a tablespoon for each. The cheddar cheese is just for the color, it's yellow. This is just a baking paper. I just prefer to put that. We don't need to do that. And I put a little bit oil at the bottom. Then now I'll put this in the middle, and the next one, and the third one. This is just will hold my tomato, stuffed tomato, right place. I'll put this in the 400 degrees oven without covering it for about 20 to 30 minutes, or till it looks golden brown at the top. This is what it looks like in just 20 minutes. So when we take it out, we carefully take it out like that. First, like this, and of course, the base also is edible. Like that. And we'll hold it. We can add Parmesan on it, as much as we want to. Eating, wow. Look at it. Look at the cheese. Ooh. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.